securing the printer and finisher on a loading dock and truck. This video will show the final preparation and how to secure your device for transportation. First, secure the previously prepared finisher to the shipping pallet. Utilizing the corners of the pallet, use plastic wrap to secure the finisher to the pallet. Once secured, use a pallet jack to carefully lift the pallet and load it into the truck for transport. To prepare the printer, use plastic wrap to wrap all surfaces of the printer. This will help protect the printer surfaces from any damage during transportation. Carefully roll the printer onto the truck. Use caution on any transitions to protect the plastic wheels. Repeat this process for any additional printers. Be sure to thoroughly wrap the ADF and keyboard if installed. These parts are susceptible to damage and require extra protection. Carefully roll the printer onto the truck. Use caution on any transitions to protect the plastic wheels. Once loaded onto the truck, cover the printer with a shipping blanket. This helps to protect the surfaces from contact with the truck and shipping straps. Use ratcheting shipping straps to secure the printer to the truck. Repeat this process on any additional printers. The printers and finisher are now ready for transportation. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.